So if you got an MPCX, you know, you try to record, you might see some light there. You might see a face poking in. Hi, guys. You know, over there. Plus, you got the fingerprints. I figured what I'm going to do, I need to fix this. Let's see if I can put an anti-glare on top of there. Let's see if something like this will fix the problem, right? How does that look? Does that look cool or what? This is a 10.2 size screen, and the actual MPC is a 10.1. I'm gonna put it on there anyway. Came this far, I might as well go through with it. All right, let's get some of this light out of the way. Let's just go with natural, not natural lighting, but yeah, sort of natural. This is without blaring LEDs on the screen. You can't see my reflection anyway. It kind of works, I think. I don't think it's gonna lay out flat, the bubbles, just because it's not an iPad and we still have some of this stuff around the frame. But, give me a second. Let me bust down these lights right quick. Turn that off. And we just got the sunlight over here. We might be all right. Woo. Look at that ceiling fan. Look at my phone though. Huh? To me, it looks like it's better than nothing, bruh. Now, if I go back here, you don't see my ceiling fan anymore. You don't even see me holding the phone. Huh? Yeah, I think I'll stick with it for a while.